College Survival Guide, Essential Life Hacks Every Student Should Master. Life hack: incorporate the snack reward system into your study routine, an excellent motivation for studying. Enjoy a gummy bear as a reward when you achieve a study milestone. Life hack: enhance your study efficiency by listening to recorded lectures at double speed. To accomplish this, you can employ a software application such as Audacity or VLC Media Player. Life hack: use a variety of colored pens when taking notes. This will enhance your visual memory, adding a visually appealing touch that makes note-taking more enjoyable. Life hack: boost your GPA during the initial semesters when courses are less challenging. Maintain focus in easier classes, as those simple A's will prove valuable in balancing the challenges of junior and senior years. Life hack: discover the art of brewing coffee without a coffee maker. Craft this magical alchemy with disposable cups, a coffee mug, a coffee filter, coffee, rubber bands, and hot water. Life hack: create a simple microwave breakfast by preparing scrambled eggs in a coffee mug. Prepare a quick and delicious microwave omelette in just a minute and a half by spraying a mug, adding eggs, cheese, and milk, microwaving, and stirring for a thoroughly cooked meal. Life hack: a binder clip organizes beverages. Use a binder clip to neatly stack beverages in a small mini fridge. Life hack: opt for a tortilla as a makeshift plate or bowl. Tortillas come at a lower cost compared to bread when you want to skip doing the dishes. Life hack: residing off campus with some friends. Improve your router's Wi-Fi signal using the Beerkin trick. Life hack: consider purchasing a laptop lock. College can be perceived as a gathering of opportunists. Life hack: maximize storage in your compact closet. Save space in your closet by hanging multiple garments using soda pop tabs. Life hack: organize your clothes through filing for space efficiency. Efficiently fold and organize your t-shirts to optimize closet space. Life hack: put an end to widespread pen theft. Prevent pen theft by discreetly placing a blue ink cartridge in a red pen, making it less appealing to potential pilferers. Life hack: decorate your dorm room. Enhance your room's aesthetics by hanging photos and posters with washi tape, ensuring both beauty and wall preservation. Life hack: utilize Visa gift cards for accessing online free trials. Access free premium trials on websites without using or having a credit card by using these alternatives. Life hack: during warm weather, cool a stuffy dorm room by hanging a damp towel over an open window. Life hack: creating the simplest cocktail is effortless with Construct a Straw. Life hack: prevent Cheeto dust buildup on a dirty keyboard by using Post-it notes. Life hack: turn an impromptu dance party up a notch by placing an iPhone into an empty plastic soda bottle. Life hack: deep sleeper, prevent oversleeping by boosting your alarm volume with the smartphone in a cup trick. Life hack: efficiently heat 2 bowls simultaneously in the microwave with this useful trick. Become the ultimate roommate by adopting this sharing is caring tip. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.